for every word you said. I thank you for looking alive. I thank you for the promises you made. I was watching while I shot. I thank you for teaching me. Yes, I thank you for hurting. I bite down to the heart of my place, and in the shop of my roots run deep into the hollow. Strike back a little harder, I scream a little louder. My roots run deep into the hollow. I'm stronger than I ever knew. I'm strong because of you. I hit back a little louder, fuck you a little harder. My roots run deep into the hollow. Thank you for the hole you dug in me. Filled it with cement, soaked me in your sea. Thank you for being so obscene. Thank you for never facing me, swimming in the mud, never coming clean. And thank you for nothing in between. Yes, I thank you for living. I bite down to the heart of my place, a little shop of my roots run deep into the hollow. Strike back a little harder, I scream a little louder. My roots run deep into the hollow. I'm stronger than I ever knew. I'm strong because of you. I hit back a little harder, fuck you a little louder. My roots run deep into the hollow. I wanna know why I like the pain you say. What's the sick part of me thankful for the hate? I stay positive and I push forward. You see, I gotta do the right thing for my family, so I smile and I say that the world is just fine as these fucking parasites eat up my spine. So I asked you once and I ask you again, where do your roots start and where do your roots end? I bite down to the heart of my place, a little shop of my roots run deep into the hollow. Strike back a little harder, I scream a little louder. My roots run deep into the hollow. I'm stronger than I ever knew. I'm strong because of you. I hit back a little louder, fuck you a little harder. My roots run deep into the hollow. My roots run deep into the hollow. My roots run deep into the hollow. I'm stronger than I ever knew. I'm strong because of you. I hit back a little louder, fuck you a little harder. My roots run deep into the hollow. My roots run deep into the hollow. My roots run deep into the hollow. My roots.
This is my life, where the fuck do I begin? I'll take what you got, this is Hollywood undead. Motherfuckers looking at us when they want that bread. Got us on a world tour and it never ends. Making moves, cashing checks, and I'm out the door. Couple bottles, 1500, yeah, it's on the floor. Lose vivid visions and I think I'm losing all control. My body's ghosting, take a hit, now it's time to go. This rock star shit, no it ain't a day job, but I treat it like one, that's cause I'm a fucking snob. Champagne problems and you know it's non-stop. Pulling out these bottles like Niagara on a drop top. I forget everything, yeah I'm blacked out. Didn't pay the bills, wifey bugging, need to chill out. I act a fool when I see these girlies thongs out. Yeah I'm with the plug and these strippers got me cashed out. Everybody thrashed
and flaunt it on them. You fools don't want any problems. Stacking chips and popping bottles. Up in the club with Gucci bottoms. Up in the club with Gucci bottoms. My exes meet my hoes, that shit's like tic-tac-toe. If a bitch done stole your money, you should get that hoe. And after you get it back, you better spend that dough. Get you a bunch of coke, you better blow that snow.
Everybody's cash now. Before we cash out, spending all this money, high as fuck ain't coming back down. Let's fucking crash now. Before we cash out, spending all this money, high as fuck ain't coming back down.
Got me cashed out. 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 Spending all this money, high as fuck ain't coming.
I fall to pieces because I'm already broken. The words they come, but then they softly go unspoken. You walk the lonely path, the only path you've chosen. Every moment's taken away and every second stolen. Can't hold on, but I won't let go of everything I'm holding. When you feel it too, I hope you second that emotion. Your dreams are slipping by because your eyes are always open. Life is like a gun, it's not the only one that's loaded.
Your life can end inside a moment. It slips by the more you try to hold it. It's alright cause everybody knows it. Life's like a trigger when you pull it. Like a bullet.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. The days are getting shorter, infinite in disorder. Swimming in the torture, sanity is on the border. No time to wonder why I'm not afraid to die. My crimes will satisfy, so who's got time to say goodbye? Every time I'm losing control, lose a little piece of my soul. Too late for me to crawl about this soul, so come on, let's go. Ain't no way to justify, this life keeps rushing by. It's hard to stay alive, but at least you know I'll fucking try.
Your life can end inside a moment. It slips by the more you try to hold it. It's alright cause everybody knows it. Life's like a trigger when you pull it. Like a bullet.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
You'll never live until you know that you could die. You have to walk before you try to fly. You'll never know what's really life until you pull it. Never see